Hi guys, for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing for today. I'm making a fish cage. This is 2 by 4 feet tall. Anyway, this is for the fish that I'm going to sell soon. So if I can catch some, I'm gonna put it in here. And it's safety and it's easy enough for me to sell the fish when people come. Right, for this video you can see me there. I'm making that handle in the top to make it a bit untwistable in case if I gonna carry it, especially when there will be a heavy fish. So that's what I'm doing. I put something in the top. For this cage, guys, I'm using a wire screen and the cutting tools and tie wires. That's I've been used. And the goodness of tie wires is you can twist it around like stitches in the sidings, and that's handy anyway. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sorry if I did not show you the first step that I'm doing because I don't have any time doing it. I'm just busy cutting all the way. That's the story there. So next time if I'm gonna build a cage, then I'm gonna show you the step by step of doing it. Okay, that would be next time around when I do such things like this cage and things like that, because I'm gonna do some rabbit cage soon anyway, when there's no rain. It's still raining here over the Christmas, so I don't have any time doing the things that I need to do. Okay. And now guys, I'm almost done. We will see what would happen then if I put it in the fish pan. Almost there. Alright, that's it. We just have to twist around the edges so it's not hurting the fish or hurting myself. Okay, here it is. Done. There we are. I'm gonna take this down the fish pan, guys, and see what I'm doing. Okay, there's a cage, right? Just watch me what I'm doing down there. That's what I gonna intended to do anyway. put it in the side of the fish pan and leave like that. If I can catch a fish around, then I can sell them. That's the intention for that cage anyway. And actually, the goodness of the cage is the water can go through all the time. Here we go. I already put it in the fish pan, guys. You see, it's just enough tall for the fish can like fly over there in the top, because mainly in the other cage that I made up there, the fish can fly, especially the big fish. They can fly. You see, because the water is a bit low in the fish pan, guys. I'm gonna fix this broken source drainage. This is the source going through the fish pan. So you see that there are lots of mud and sand in the top. You see, I'm gonna clean the drain so that the water gonna go through the fish pan quite well. So just watch me, guys, what I'm doing. So, and then that would be nice. Every day I'm doing, checking the water source, the hose, and everything. For now, guys, we're gonna end the video. I hope you like my video and you enjoy watching what I'm doing, sharing the daily work I'm doing. Okay, guys, bye bye. See you next video.